Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. It's been a while. Busy week so far. Alright, so we're looking at the market. Bitcoin went as high as 10% after the news from Elon Musk, although he started pumping before that, but it's all good. Ethereum went up by almost 5%. Binance has regained its rightful position. I saw no reason why Doge should be there in the first place, and if Doge even had there was a time Doge no, not Doge, Cardano had higher market cap than BNB, and I felt it wasn't accurate because there are currently no DApp on Cardano, while there are thousands of DApps on BNB. So, but the market is recovering a little bit. For those of you that have been following our channel, we had this chart a long time ago, a very long time ago, where we predicted that Bitcoin was going to hit 30K. But to be honest with you, I didn't know it was going to hit it real quick, right? We predicted this way months before the crash happened. You can check the video. You can check the video out, right? While you're watching this video, you might also see it at the top right of this video or at the top left corner also. So we bounced back a little bit. We've had currently the resistance is around 39,000. This is the resistance so far, and so once we can break this resistance of, is that 39,000? Sorry, that's 42,000. Yeah, once we can break this resistance, as you can see, let me draw the charts. As you can see here, this point here is the resistance so far. I didn't draw that right. This is the, come on man, what am I drawing? This is the resistance, right? So this is the price right here, $42,000. But also this resistance was a support before, so this is the support right here, right? So the support has now become the resistance. So we just need to break this resistance. We've broken it a little bit here, but we need to break it again. I'm sure once we break it the next time, we will not go lower, rather we'll stay up there and then move from there to 46,000 to 50,000, and then we'll get to $100,000 per Bitcoin. So let's see how many days we've been around here. So between 19th of May and 14th of June, that is approximately a month. 19th of May, okay, in 5 days time it will make it a month since we've been around this range. So where is since we've been around this range, so this is how Bitcoin is moving sideways. So we just need Bitcoin to be moving sideways rather, along this line, along this rectangular line, to moving this way. Once we have this confirmation several times, then we'll now repeat the same scenario here. Yeah, move upwards before it goes all the way up to 64,000 and then $100,000 per Bitcoin. Anyways, that's that, right? So today I want to talk to us about some news we've missed and also Taproot. So what is Taproot? Taproot is just an upgrade to the Bitcoin network that will work on the fees and privacy. So I'll just read this article right here that explains it in a very good way. So what is Taproot? The proposed Bitcoin upgrade. Here's the nitty-gritty on Taproot. A Bitcoin update. Sorry, I'm going to quit my Telegram to reduce your noise. So it's a Bitcoin update that promises more privacy and lower transaction fees. Now these are the two biggest issues with Bitcoin right now, most especially the fees, right? Sending Bitcoin has been unbearable and expensive, right? So this update aims to solve that problem, right? Although there is an issue with the privacy part, because it's gonna make regulators frown more at Bitcoin, but it's also gonna make Bitcoin more expensive, because part of the reasons why we have cryptocurrencies like let me see if I can type that out, like Monero, Monero, Dash, Verge. It's because people need privacy. They don't want their money to be able to be tracked on the internet. So that's why we have cryptocurrencies like Monero. Monero is a private cryptocurrency. There's Dash, there's Verge, Pirate Chain, a lot of them, right? So it's going to make regulators frown a little bit at Bitcoin and try to bring more regulatory about around around Bitcoin, but what is definitely going to make the price shoot up the more. Right, so I'm not going to go through all this article. I've just given you guys the summary of it all, but if you want to read, I might drop this in the description. Right, so Taproot just makes Bitcoin more private. So with the way Bitcoin is right now, you can actually trace transactions to a particular sender. You can trace it, but with Taproot, it will be difficult to trace. All right, so let's go to some other news. Crypto monitoring more effective than outright ban, Dutch finance minister says. All right, so when crypto all started, when the whole hype about crypto started, the banks started out by thinking that the best way to go around crypto is to try to ban it. But they've learned the lesson. They know they can't ban it. So what they want to do now is to come up with regulatory frameworks around crypto, which is almost impossible, but it is needed. All right, so I'm not anti-government, right? So, but we just need things to work the way they should be. So you can't actually just ban crypto, right? So, but this is good news nonetheless, because it shows that they don't have a plan to ban crypto, and they will try to see how they can work with. The best way they can do this is to work with exchanges to put some form of regulation around crypto. In some related news, banks in South Korea instructed to treat crypto exchanges as high risks for clients. Now, they are not stopping clients from using crypto exchanges or crypto through exchanges. They're just trying to let you know, yes, this is a different asset class and is subject to high fluctuations, and we can't ban it, but we'll have to tell you that it's very risky. But that is just not such a good excuse for crypto, because there are way more risky investments out there, right? So they're just saying all these things because crypto is a risk to their business. Tanzania's president urges central banks to prepare for crypto. You see, the president's speech follows El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender. It's going to be the trend. I've been saying this for a very long time. If you've been following our channel, I've been saying it's going to be the trend, and it's happening. We're going to see companies, we're going to see industries, we're going to see governments start using Bitcoin. Banks will start telling you we want to store your Bitcoin for you. We're going to see automobile companies start accepting Bitcoin. Well, of course, Tesla did that several weeks ago, until they stopped. And according to a recent news that came out, was it yesterday or today, Tesla will resume taking Bitcoin as payments once miners go 50% green, Elon Musk says. Right, so this is a green light for Bitcoin, and part of the reasons why we had some extra pump. Right, so it's good news for the entire crypto space, because we've had regulators around the world say we can't ban Bitcoin, we're not going to ban Bitcoin, or we're not going to ban crypto. We just have to look for a way to regulate it. And Elon Musk is also showing green light that they still have their Bitcoin. They only sold like 10% of their Bitcoin. Okay, this is the tweet right here. This is inaccurate. Tesla only sold 10% of holdings to confirm BTC could be liquidated easily without moving markets. When there's confirmation of reasonable 50%, approximately 50% clean energy usage by miners, with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. Now, it's also important to note that there are other cryptocurrencies out there that utilizes way more lesser energy than Bitcoin. And I wouldn't think Elon Musk, which is such a smart guy, wouldn't know that there are other cryptocurrencies like that. But let's just assume that is not the case. So what is smart to do is to start buying Bitcoin right now before Tesla resumes, and to start looking for other cryptocurrencies that consume less energy than Bitcoin before Tesla starts accepting it. Anyways, in one of those cryptocurrencies, actually US, and we have a news about US here. So block one free to focus on $10 billion crypto business after lawsuit settlements. Just in case you don't know who Block One is or what Block One is a company that's raised a whopping $4 billion with a capital B, right, during their ICO. I think it was in 2018 or 2017 or so, to build a crypto software called EOS. And EOS right now is actually one of the leading blockchain in the crypto space when it comes to technology, right? If you want to be honest with yourself. But they had some recent issues with some people who invested during the ICO, and they've decided to make a settlement of $27 million so that they can just, forget about the whole lawsuit and then focus on the business, because they also raised recently $10 billion, right, to build a new product that I think they already built it. What is left is to market it. But that is the news from Block One. Let's see what we can make out of this after the whole $10 billion and $4 billion that they've raised so far. So this is the official announcement here from Block One. Block One announces settlement of class action lawsuits. So I'll just read some part of it. June 11, 2021, Block One has entered into a settlement to resolve the class action lawsuits launched by the Crypto Assets Opportunity Fund related to the company's token sale that took place between, it's in 2017 and 2018, so 1 year ICO. Upon approval by the court, the $27.5 million settlement will close the lawsuit. And Block One was like, okay, if that is the case, we're going to pay the $27.5 million so that we can focus on what we're doing. So, quote, Block One believes this lawsuit was without merit and filled with numerous inaccuracies. However, accepting this settlement allows us to focus more time and energy on running our business and delivering new products. I don't have full details about the lawsuit, but I love the attitude, right? So instead of trying to want to claim rights and you're not supposed to sue us and all, they decide to pay the money, which I believe is chicken change to them, because these guys raised $4 billion previously, and then they have millions of EOS tokens, right? I'm sure they sold some of them maybe when it got to about, was it 10 or 12 or $15, and they just raised $10 billion. So $27 million should be too small for them to distract them from focusing on what they're supposed to do. Yeah, a deep breath. So thanks guys for watching. That's all we have for you today in the video. Please do be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. See ya.